Hi guys, I'm showing you this Beyond Store hand warmers. These are rechargeable 2 pack. This is also a 12,000 milliampere electric hand warmer with a digital display and a power battery backup. So as you can see, this come in 2 pack. So I'm just taking out all the things from this pack so that you can see. So this is as a warmer and external battery pack. This is the digital display that will show the temperature and the percentage charged. This is the leyland that comes with it that you can put in this warmer so that it will not lose, or you can put in your wrist, or you can use it like this way to warm your hands, or any other way you want. So this is the charging cable that comes with it. It's a USB-C cable. So the USB-C is used for input, means like you can charge using this one, and just on and off button, and you can also charge your cell phone, iPhone or any other device with this one. So there's USB-C, I put it and you can see it start charging. So this is charging, showing 76% battery is charged, or this charged battery or remaining in this warmer or the battery charge pack. So let's take this out and you started. It's showing the 76%. You have to press long press this so that it can move back to the temperature setting and show 75 degrees, 45 degrees. You can lower and you can increase up to 35 to 55 degrees. There is a bag that comes with it, the carry bag, and you can easily put in these ones into it. So as I said, 35 to 55 you can manage through that. Increase from this end, or long press to show the total battery remaining in it. So you know, all those type of simple stuff. So quality wise, this is really nice. This is use polymer batteries, heat resistant housing, and the smart chips. As you can see, the LED digital display for the power, for the charging, for the temperature. This is a nice gift like for these winters. And this is the second pack. So as I said, these are 2 pack, same thing, same everything. You one button for the lowering the temperature, other one for the highing the temperature. Total range is 35 to 55 degrees, and the same charging cable and the pair for USB-C and a carry bag. So there are totally 2 different sets, each one for that. And I use it in my hands. It really warm. I think 35 to 40 is a good range for the warm hands. 45 if it's too cold and you want higher temperature. So 45 to 55 is for higher temperatures that you can use. Very much helpful, both battery pack and